Custom Settings. Operation 1. Transmitter Custom Settings. Tap the 1 button to access the transmitter configuration page. On this page, you can customize the following settings for your transmitter: rename the device, configure ringtone selection, adjust ringing volume, set ring duration, modify delayed ringing time, and choose reminder mode. 1. Rename the transmitter. Tap Edit, enter the new transmitter name, and then tap Sure. 2. Configure ringtone selection. Tap Transmitter, select your preferred ringtone, and then tap Sure to confirm. 3. Adjust ringing volume. Slide the ringtone size control to adjust the volume. 4. Set ring duration. Tap Ring Duration. Enter the desired ring time, and then tap Sure to confirm. 5. Modify delayed ringing time. Tap Delay Time. Enter the desired delay time, and then tap Sure to confirm. 6. Choose Reminder Mode. Choose from 3 alert modes: Ringtone plus LED Flash, Ringtone Only, or LED Flash Only by selecting directly in the Mode section. 7. Once all settings are complete, click Save. Operation 2. Delete transmitters. 1. Swipe left on the transmitter you wish to remove. Tap the Delete button that appears. Operation 3. Receiver Custom Settings. Tap the icon in the upper right corner of the receiver page to access the settings menu. On this page, you can perform the following device management operations: rename device, remove device, and set offline reminders. 1. Rename device. Tap Settings and then tap Name. Enter the new name and tap Confirm. 2. Remove device. To remove the device, tap Remove Device located at the bottom of the page. 3. Set offline reminders. Enable the offline notification switch at the bottom of the page.